How to turn on flashlight by tapping the back of your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn on flashlight by tapping on the back of your iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step is open up your settings. On your settings, there you will see accessibility. Tap on accessibility. After you tap on accessibility, what you'll need to do is scroll down and there you'll see touch option under physical and motor. So tap on touch, and after you're on touch, there you'll need to scroll down till you find back tap. Select back tap. Then you can simply turn your back tap on and there you will see double tap option. Tap on double tap and here you will need to search for your torch light option. Here you will see the torch. Simply select torch and after you do that, now your back tap will get turned on, and whenever you double tap on your back, that is when you double tap on your back of your iPhone that is on your logo, it will simply turn on your flashlight. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.